Most probably during a quarter or semester you will be teaching more than one class, but you will be assigned to one specific class as their mentor teacher. From now on, I am assuming that you have been assigned to your mentor class, which has been set for you, and I will explain all the functions over this class. And in this tutorial, I will mention a little bit about settings. There are a few things that you might want to change. On the settings page, the first thing you might want to change is maximum upload size. Generally, the default upload size is about 10 or sometimes 50 megabytes, but if you want to upload bigger files, also if you want your students to do the same, you might change this to the maximum, which is 500 megabytes in the beginning. And the other thing is activity reports here. If you want to know what each student is doing in this class, for example, you have shared a link, and if you want to get a report of how many times these links and files have been clicked on or downloaded, you might want to say yes to this to keep activity reports in your class. And the other thing is, if you want your class to be a little bit colorful, you might want to use one of these themes. As you have already seen, this class looks a little bit grayish, old-fashioned forum-like look, but if we change this to, let's see, for example, one of my favorites is wood. If you change this to wood, your class will look like this, and it's more colorful and different. So the three things that I want to mention under settings are these. And the other thing I want to mention, anytime you want to make a change on your class page, you will need to turn editing on. When you turn editing on, you will see these 6 icons. This will help you to move your item right, you will indent it. This will help you to move it up and down. This is update button. You can delete it, you can hide it from your students, or you can group your students so that each group will work separately on this specific activity or forum. When editing is on, you will also see these 2 drop-down menus. In the first one, you will see 6 types of resources that you might add, and in the second you will see 17 types of activities you might want to put on your class. We will get into details in the following tutorials.